So welcome students. In this question you're given that in a triangle ABC, angle A is greater than angle B and these two angles satisfy the equation 2 tan x minus k times 1 plus tan square x is equal to 0. If that is so, what is the measure of angle C? So now the main information that's given in this question is A and B satisfy this equation. So this equation can be written as k times 1 plus tan square x minus 2 tan x is equal to 0. This is a quadratic in tan. So let tan x is equal to t. So this equation becomes kt square minus 2t plus k is equal to 0. Now A and B are the solutions to this equation. A and B satisfy this equation. So tan A and tan B satisfy the equation in terms of t. So that means the roots of this equation are tan A and tan B, right? So the roots of this equation are A and B. So the roots of this equation becomes tan A and tan B. Now there is something interesting in this equation. So what is the sum of the roots? The sum of the roots tan A plus tan B is equal to, what is the sum of the roots of a quadratic equation? Minus of x coefficient by x square coefficient, that is minus of minus 2 by k, that is 2 by k. Now what is the product of the roots? Tan A into tan B is equal to c by a, the constant term by x square coefficient, which is equal to 1. So this is something which interests me. Tan A into tan B is equal to 1. This implies tan A is equal to 1 by tan B. That's nothing but cot B. That's nothing but tan of 90 minus B, right? So tan A is equal to tan of 90 minus B. This implies A is equal to 90 minus B, and this implies A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. That means the sum of angles A and B is 90 degrees and ABC forms a triangle. So angle C obviously has to be equal to 90 degrees because the sum of angles of a triangle have to be equal to 180 degrees. So the sum of first two angles is 90 degrees. So the third angle has to be equal to 90 degrees. Option D is the right answer. Thank you.